All right, so right now we're at the Montreal Expo and we're in front of the Auroom Emma Glass. This is a sauna manufactured by Auroom. It's an amazing product. All of Auroom's products are amazing. In fact, we visited them last summer. We visited their factory. The quality control going into the conception of these units is unparalleled. It's amazing. Right now we have the Aspen version. It's 59 by 79. It's roughly a 3-person sauna, I would say, max 3 people. We do have the ability to customize all of Auroom saunas. Pretty much all the models you can see on our website are customizable. If you contact us, we can do pretty much anything. So that's the beauty of it all. Now, let's take a look inside. One of the most amazing part of these saunas is really the finish on the benches and the backrest and all the surfaces that are in contact with your skin. It's extremely soft, it's ridiculous. And it comes by default with dimmable LED lights here, which create a really nice effect. Gives you a feeling of a wider space. It's really inviting and enjoyable here. As far as the structure here, what's great about Auroom saunas compared to a lot of indoor saunas is that they all have 3 layers of walls, so they have a really good heat retention. You have the internal cladding here. On the back, you have a layer of insulation, and outside you have the external cladding. So this is really something non-negligible, especially with a glass front like this. You really want the rest of the room to be super well insulated. If you want a darker tone for the sauna, you can also get this in thermo aspen as well as alder. We can even move, as I said, some of the walls, the door around. We can move venting. Usually when someone buys an Auroom sauna, we always send them a technical drawing for approval, just to ensure that it really blends well into your space and fits your criteria. Now, as far as heating unit goes, today we have a Saku heater. It's a very simple heater. It's made in Finland, very reliable. We do have many options for heaters in the Auroom saunas. You could put a Hume heater, you could put a Sauna device as well. Right now, today we went with simplicity. So you have a knob for temperature, a knob for time. What's cool about the Saku is that it has a 3-hour on time. So it can work for 3 hours straight, which is a pretty rare feature in North America for heaters. It's an electric heater, hardwired with rocks on top. You can pour some water, create some nice steam, mix it with essential oils. All in all, Auroom is really one of my favorite brands of saunas. If you're looking for the best stuff, that's really what you should be looking for.